I did it. I'm sitting near him. He put his headphones on. He's ignoring me. I'll just eat quietly. At least I'm here. Wait, what's he doing? He gave me treats? My tail won't stop wagging.